Hello children, welcome to today's English class. In our last class, we discussed the friendship of Juman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary, and also we discussed how the old aunt's life was badly affected by the changing behavior of Juman and his wife Kariman. So she called a panchayat. Today in this class, we will see what was decided in the panchayat. Children, at first listen to me carefully while I am reading this part. The panchayat met under a tree one evening. The old woman stated her case and then said to Juman, "Whom would you like to be the panch?" Juman answered angrily, "Let me not say anything now, aunt. It is yours, so have anyone you like." She said, "Son, have fear of God. The panch is nobody's friend or enemy. Do you accept Algu Chaudhary? I name him as chief judge." Juman was overjoyed, but he hid his feelings and replied, "Let it be Algu Chaudhary." Children, next, Algu did not want to be mixed up in this affair. He wanted to get out and exclaimed, "Auntie, you know, Juman and I are close friends." The aunt replied gravely, "Son, nobody can sell his conscience for friendship. God lives in the heart of the panch. Whatever the panch says is spoken by God himself." Algu said, "Sheikh Juman, you and I are old friends, but at this moment, you and old aunt are exactly the same to me. You may state your case before the panchayat." Juman was now confident that he had won. He imagined that Algu's talk was mere show. Therefore, with his heart at peace, he stated his case. Children, next, Algu Chaudhary started asking questions which Juman found hard to answer. Finally, Algu gave his judgment. "Juman Sheikh, the elders have considered this matter. They think it proper that aunt should have a monthly allowance. This is our decision. If you do not agree to pay the monthly expenses, then the property should be returned to her." Children, let's discuss the meaning of some unfamiliar words of this part. State, it means explain. Then overjoyed, it means extremely happy. Then mix up, it means involve. Next, affair, it means case. Next, gravely, it means seriously. Next, concise, it means inner sense of right and wrong. Then mere, it means only. Children, the last one is allowance. It means a sum of money paid regularly to meet one's need. Children, let's discuss this part. Finally, one evening, the panchayat met under a tree. The old woman stated her case and she decided Algu as the chief judge of the panchayat. When Juman knew that Algu was the chief judge of the panchayat, he became very happy. Children, tell me why? Yes, because they were good friends. And Juman had much confidence in his friendship. He was sure that Algu's decision would definitely go in favor of him. But children, Algu was not interested to interfere in this case because he did not like to stand against of Juman. But the words of the old ant that nobody can sell his conscience for friendship. God lives in the heart of the Panch. Whatever the Panch says is spoken by the God himself, continuously echoed in his heart. And these words changed his mind. So he decided to give a judgment. He stood in the Panchayat and declared that Juman was his best friend. But at this time of judgment, both Juman and the old ant were same to him, because the Panch is nobody's friend or enemy. So he finally decided to give an impartial judgment at the end. Juman thought that perhaps Algu was trying to prove his honesty. So, with much confidence, he stated his case before the Panchayat peacefully. Children, let's see what happened in the Panchayat. Algu asked many questions to Juman, which were very difficult for Juman to answer. Finally, Algu declared that the elders of the Panchayat considered this matter and they decided that Juman should provide a monthly allowance to the old ant. And if he did not agree with the proposal of the Panchayat, then the property should be returned back. This was the judgment of the Panchayat. Children, now answer some questions. Answer in a word or a phrase. Question number 1. Who named Algu as the chief judge? Yes, the old ant. Then, second questions. What according to the old ant can nobody sell for friendship? Very good. One's conscience. Question number 3. Whatever the Panch says is spoken by God himself. Who said this? Correct. The old ant. Children, now come to the last questions. What did Juman imagine about Algu's talk? Excellent. Mere so. Children, this is all about the part 2 of the story. In the next class, we will discuss the part 3. Okay, children? Thank you. Bye-bye.